And while we're waiting for that, we can look at another error that you may encounter. It's called native ROM was not found on your path. Please install it globally. I did what the terminal told me to do, but it didn't work. So I did this instead. And that finally made it work. I encountered this error when I tried to create an emulator for Android. Now let's take a look whether, yeah, it's still working. So I'll be right back. Then you can see the building is successful and we're ready to develop a key. So we click the plus button and you can see here that there's some code that you can use to create a key. This is the part of the process I agree with Ionic. So I just choose the password. You can see that you cannot see the password. And then I just write cam org. London, let's say London. England, just let's say that. What's it? Say 86. Yeah. Then we will just write yes. You can write the stuff that's true here, but right now I don't think it's important because this is just a test app. Also, your password has to be 6 words at least. Yeah. And then I will write the same password. Yeah. And now we finally made the key. We can go to the next part of the process. Ionic is telling me to use this line of code, but I don't agree with it and it's not working for me. So I can show you what worked for me inside of here. Yeah. Firstly, we have to go into the Finder and you are going to click this one, go to folder, and you have to go to this folder here. Then push to go, and then you have to go in here, and if you scroll further down you find the zip line. Then you have to go and find the folder of your app. So you just hit this Mac, and this is ours. We have in capital letters. So we copy that and paste into here. Have to double click it. As you can see, it's completed. We can go out of that, go back here, go back here. Then we are going to run this code here in the terminal. And this is not something the recipe from Ionic is mentioning at all. Yeah, even though it says failed, we're not failing. So here you can see a code that's similar to this code, but it includes something else. It includes the location of the app release unsigned APK alias name. And that's because the location is, let's see, it's build. Yeah, it's here. So, and that is the same as this. And then we're going to run that piece of code. We have to enter the key password that we made. And then you see there's a lot of stuff happening and the jar is signed. So that just means that we are succeeding. The next thing I will do is to create the file that you're actually going to upload to Google Developer Console. So we want to change this to my app. And then we can just write that in here. And then what we've been doing is successful. And as you can see, here is the file you're going to upload to Google Play. That means that we are ready for part 3. Please hit the like button and the subscribe button, and give a comment below if you want me to create a part 3, or you don't really need a part 3 because it's so easy to just upload this to Google Play Console. But thank you for watching, and I hope I see you again soon.